Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Meta Business Suite to design ads faster, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from Meta Business Suite, start by logging into your account. Navigate to the main dashboard of Meta Business Suite. Locate the Ads section on the sidebar. Click on the Ads tab to access your advertising settings. Identify the ad campaign that you want to work on. Click on the three dots icon next to the campaign for more options. Select Edit from the drop-down menu. This will redirect you to the ad editing interface. Review your ad details, such as targeting, budget, and schedule. Make any necessary adjustments to optimize your design process. Once satisfied with the changes, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click on the Publish button to save your edits. Return to the main dashboard by clicking on the Meta Business Suite logo. Now, head to the Creative section to design your ads more efficiently. Select the ad format you wish to use, like image, video, or carousel. Upload your visuals or select them from your existing library. Add engaging text and a strong call to action. Preview your ad to ensure that it meets your expectations. Once everything looks good, finalize any remaining settings. Click on Save to store your new design. Finally, review your ads in the Ads Manager for better performance tracking. Regularly check insights to refine your approach over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.